In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage in LibreOffice Calc. To get started, open your LibreOffice Calc file. Once your spreadsheet is on screen, make sure the values you want to work with are already entered into the sheet. The basic idea behind percentage is simple. You're finding how much one value, or the part, represents out of another value, which is the whole. Before entering the formula, set up the numbers you want to use for the calculation. For example, you might have a perfect score in one cell and an actual mark in another. In this kind of situation, the mark is the part value and the perfect score is the whole value. Keeping your data clearly arranged in separate cells makes the formula much easier to enter and understand. Next, click on the cell where you want the percentage result to appear. This is where LibreOffice Calc will display the answer in that cell. Type an equal sign first, then enter the cell that contains the part value, followed by a slash, and then the cell that contains the whole value. The slash tells Calc to divide the part by the whole, which is how percentages are calculated. After typing the formula, press enter. At this point, the result may appear as a decimal. That's completely normal. LibreOffice Calc is correctly calculating the value, but it may still be showing it in decimal format instead of percentage format. To change that, click the result cell again so it's selected. Then look toward the toolbar at the top and find the percentage icon. Click it and Calc will instantly convert the decimal into a percentage display. This makes the result much easier to read, especially if you're working with grades, scores, progress tracking, or any data where percentages are more meaningful than decimals. If needed, you can also widen the cell or adjust formatting later so the percentage is displayed clearly, but the main calculation is already done. And that's it. You've successfully calculated a percentage in LibreOffice Calc by dividing the part value by the whole value and then formatting the result as a percentage. Once you learn this simple method, you can reuse it in many different spreadsheets whenever you need quick and accurate percentage calculations.